Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a room tour of Centennial Hall because I've been wanting to do this for a while, just time has escaped from me and I just forgot. But now I'm ready to make one, so I'm going to give it to you. And some of the things in my room aren't in here anymore because we're starting to take things away to go home for summer break, but I thought I'd just show you around, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is the outside of our room. And we're gonna just go in because I unlocked it or whatever. And I'm gonna lock it, but this is the back of our door. It doesn't really have anything on it, but it has a peephole. And I guess I'll just start this way. When you first walk in, there's kind of like this longish hallway-ish area. And our closets are right here. This is my roommate's closet. And this is mine. And then right here we have our bathroom, and then we have this rack that we keep our coats on and our towels. So we can go into the bathroom. And we used to have a mirror right here on the door, but it actually fell down. So running into things. It's not there anymore, but it is right there. So hey. So yeah, our bathroom doesn't really have anything in here. We have this blue tealish tray that holds my roommate stuff, and then I just have some hair stuff, bathroom necessities, cleaning stuff down there. You do have to bring your own toilet paper here, and we just have the toilet, and we used to have a black rack right here that we kept most of the stuff on, but because we're going home, we took it home already. Bathroom comes with a recycling bin. We brought this trash can. It doesn't come with any rugs or anything. All of this we brought. So this is our shower. So you see there's some racks in here. And then outside of the bathroom is where our mirror is. And it has a light as well. So it's up there. But we keep these twinkle lights. And then my roommate just has a cute little decoration right here. And this is her side, my side. We just share. We put cleaning supplies down there. And then my closet looks like this. It's pretty good sized, I would say. And then this is a overlook of the room. So when we walk in, oh, my trash can fell, but this is my side. And I have my dressers right here and this ottoman thing right here so I can step on to get onto my bed. And that, I have a little dream catcher right there. Tapestry, and then this is my bed, and then underneath my bed I have these bins where we keep all of our food stuff and some food down there. And then I'm going home, so all my stuff for going home is right there. And then this is my desk, and I just have some lights up there, some decorations, my makeup stuff, blanket on my chair. It comes with this drawer thing, and should keep makeup and stuff in. And then this is my random drawer. So there's a bunch of stuff. And then the rooms do not come with a microwave and fridge, but we have one. And then here's outside. Really nice. And then we just have a windowsill. No bad days. She believed she could, so she did. Enjoy the little things. We have a futon, another ottoman, and then here's just an overview of my roommate's side. She used to have a tapestry up there, but she doesn't anymore. But yeah, that's really everything in this room. It's a pretty good size. Both roommates will get a desk with a chair and the storage thing, a bed that can be lofted actually all the way up in the air, and 2 dressers. So I know this video is really short, but I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you're looking to come to BG, do it because it's a great experience and a great college. So see you next time. Bye!